today, I guess we're gonna finish up the pistons, right? Finish up the pistones, and then what else? The heads or what?
Oh, we gotta put the lifters and the trays and all that shit in first, man.
What do you mean? Nah, we don't put the lifters in yet, dog.
Dude, come on, man.
All right, we're back
We're back.
with another little segment of let's finish this engine block, yeah? Yeah, let's get to it.
Do it, dog.
All right, so we made a little mistake yesterday.
No, you did.
Nah, you did, dog. You're the one who should be looking all this up.
I told you, I said, hey, man, put it on the 9, dog.
Nah. So we were actually supposed to put this little thingy over here at the 9 o'clock position. So yeah, let's do that real quick.
We're gonna put new bolts or what? Because I know you won't sleep right.
Get yourself a glimpse of some Mexican ingenuity here.
Hey, those racist jokes gotta stop, bro.
Check it out. So we had a little bit of trouble pulling out the camshaft, and this guy's got the perfect tool to fuck up all the lobes.
Better believe it.
But it's moving, right? You see movement? There you go, mira! Shit.
What would you do without me, man?
I'd be lost. I probably would have just got a remanufactured engine. Shit, you know what, man? As we put more pistons in, it's probably gonna be harder to move it. Alright, we're back here. We got the pistons on already.
Yep.
Got them all bolted up from the bottom. We went ahead and put this piece, or the camshaft, to 9 o'clock position. Now we're just gonna twist it over and start tightening all the bolts and move on from there. There she is. There's the underside right there, right?
Yep, that's it, man. Just throw it in the truck already, man. Start it.
Yep. Let's throw that sucker in.
Where we at? What am I doing here?
So we got the lifters in there. We're putting on the trays, lifter trays, getting all that put on. I think that's the next step, and then I think the step after this is putting the heads on, right?
Where are the 2 bolts at to the tree?
Right there, dude. You were the one cleaning it, dog?
Oh, I didn't clean these.
Shit.
Oh, man. Is there a torque spec to that or no?
Probably.
Really?
Yeah, it's probably like some oddball number, like 13 pounds or something. All right, so we got the lifter trays on. He's just tightening them up. Made some pretty good progress today. What do you think? We put the heads on right now or what?
Do it, man.
Just keep moving.
Keep
moving,
Gotta
dog.
get the rods in there first. So
Dang, this thing's having trouble focusing, man.
Yeah, I fucked it up. Okay, so my question is here.
Okay. What's up?
Which way was it? Was it like this? Was it like this? So I think
Well, it don't matter yet, because we still have to wait until we put all the timing together.
Yeah, but I think do you remember the way the dot went? It went down, right?
Yeah, the dot was down.
Okay, that's cool. Then we'll do like that for now.
Putting the bolts in.
Shit, man, balance shaft.
Balance shafts in. Lifters, pistons, lifter trays. Looking pretty good, man.
It is, man. It is.
Coming back together finally.
Are they T25 also, or
Probably, I would think so.
25? Yeah, took off the gloves, guy.
You know how I do it, man.
Start reusing, dog.
What's up?
Start reusing. Hey, where's that T25? T25. Shit. T25.
Bro, I bet you're looking in the wrong spot for it.
T25. You had it left, guy.
Me? Man, you always blaming everything on me.
You had it last,
Man, you always blaming everything on me,
Look
man.
at these gaskets here.
Dang, you're gonna lose all those gaskets. You opened the whole box.
I can't find that T25 around this crap, man. Damn, dog. That's it. Close the garage, man. Run the garage out.
Well, what's up,
Oh, there
man?
it is, look.
Man, I see it right in front of your face the whole time. What are we putting on next?
Let me
Say
think.
it, dog.
Let me focus, man.
Just say it.
No, we can't put the heads on, man.
Why not?
Because we can't.
So what's next then? Oil pan?
The gaskets and then the head.
Oh my God.
All right, dog, let's do it.
All right, so we got the head gaskets installed. We're getting ready to put the heads on. What do you think, man? Nervous or what?
No, I'm not nervous, man.
What you thinking?
Nothing.
You think we're moving too fast or what?
Nah, dude, we're good.
Yes, sir. You got it. Don't be scared, dog.
Mm-mm.
Gotta go higher, man.
Higher?
Yeah.
These go
It's gotta be up here.
the right way, though?
Yeah, sure do. Not that high. Hey, bro. Everybody fell asleep. There we go.
For you, man. I'm recording you now so you can realize how hard it was. What you laughing at, man? Shit's hard.
Mira?
Damn! Hey, you just trying to be all... Brother, hey, you better put some crickets behind that.
Yeah! Well, dog.
Coming together, man.
Hell yeah.
That's looking like an engine now, man.
Yep. Damn, got some heads on it. Dude, it's looking good.
Check it out, man. We came at a good ending point right here, man.
Hell yeah. Got the engine right here. Got the heads on. Got a lot of the internals in.
Hell yeah.
Everything's looking pretty good so far, so guess that's it for now. I guess we'll hit it again next week. What do you say?
Yep. Or Monday.
Or Monday?
That is next week, fool.
It is.
Dang.
It is. All right, well, it's been fun. Made a lot of work, a lot of progress. I guess we'll end it off here.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next vid.